Good morning, students. Here I am continuing the programs of chapter 5 decision making statements. So, the question is a hotel has a following special rates for stay depending upon the number of days. Number of days are giving and the rate is according to in front of that. So, write a program to input the name of a person, number of days stayed, room number allotted, check in date, and check out date. Calculate the total bill and print the name of the person, number of days, check-in date, check-out date, and totals amount to be paid by the person in the following format. So here this is a question for that class demo void main. First we have to input name, string CID, that is the check-in date, string COD, check-out date, and integer days. There we require the one variable for amount for calculating the bill, and the first condition is if the days is less than or equal 3, so the amount will be days multiply 350. And the next 3 days, so the next condition will be if the days is greater 3 and days is less than equal 6. 3 plus 3, so this will be a 6. So the amount will be, first we will calculate the first range, that is 3 into 350, then days minus 3 because we have calculated the amount of 3 days, so days minus 3 into 300. And the third condition is next 3 days, so this will go to the till 9, so days is greater 6 and days is less than equal 9, so the amount will be the first range 3 into 350 and the second range 3 into 300 plus days minus 6 because we have right here the 3 plus 3 days calculation, so days minus 6 into and the value of third range, that is 275, and the above 9 days, so the amount will be 3 into 350 plus 3 into 300 plus 3 into 275 plus 3 days minus 9 into 225. And now here this is the format of printing the bill. So SOPLN, there is the space, so this will come in the center, the name of the hotel XYZ International Hotel. In second line, name equal name, check-in date equal CID, check-out date equal COD, number of days, that is days, and amount to be paid by the customer, this is the amount. And the next question, and the question is, so this is the question of quadratic equation. We have to calculate the root 1 and root 2 based on the following conditions. So if the b square minus 4ac will be greater than 0, then roots are will be real and unequal. This will be calculated with the help of above formulas. Or if b square minus 4ac equal to 0, so the formula will be minus b upon 2a only. And the third category, b square minus 4ac is less than 0, then roots are imaginary. So here we have inputted the value of a, b and c, and now we are taking a variable d and we are storing in b square minus 4ac, and double r1 equals 0, 0.0, r2 equals 0, 0.0. And here is the first condition, so this is the d and the value of d is a b square minus 4ac. So if the d is greater 0, then we have to calculate the root 1 and root 2. So r1 equal minus b plus mat.sqrt d upon 2a, and the second formula is the r2 equal minus b minus, so the only sign will be changed in this formula, and roots are real and unequal. We have to print the messages, and root 1 equal r1 and root 2 equal r2. And there is the second case, if the d is equal to 0, that means b square minus 4ac equal to 0, so the roots are real and equal, and the formula will be r1 plus minus b upon 2a, and r2 equal minus b upon 2a, because the part of the under root will be 0. So the root 1 equal r1 and root 2 equal r2. And in case of the last, we have just print a message roots are imaginary because the square root is not possible of negative value. And here this is the question number 16. So it's question number 16. We have to input the total marks of 5 subjects of a student and print the grade based on the following condition with the remarks. So we have input the total marks and we want to first calculate the percentage equal total divided by 5.0, or we can also write a total upon 500 into 100. And this is the first condition. So if the percentage is greater equal 85 and percentage is less than equal 100, so grade A and the remark will be excellent. Second condition, if the percentage is greater equal 60 and percentage is less than 85, so we will here write the less than because the equal will be cover here, so the grade will be B and the message will be good. And third condition is a greater or equal 40 and less than is 60, so the grade will be C with fair. And in last case, when the percentage is less than 40, then grade D, that needs improvement. And the next question of the book is, here we have to input a 2 time in the form of degree and minute. So suppose the time 1 equal 20 degree and 20 degree and 80 minutes, and time 2 equal 10 degree and 70 minutes. So the sum of time 1 and time 2 will be 32 degree and 30 minutes. So this will come the 31st and 80 plus 70. So this is more than 60. Then we will divide the minutes by 60. So here this is a program for that class demo. Void input integer d1 for degree 1, m1 for minutes, d2 for degree 2 and m2 to minutes for time 2. And here we are taking the variable d and m for storing a sum of degree and minutes. So d1 is d equal d1 plus d2 and m equal m1 plus m2. So if the final sum of the minutes is greater equal 60, then we will divide the minutes by 60 and add this into sum of degree, and the remaining part will be stored in same variable. Now here we are printing in the following format: time 1 equal d1 degree plus m1 minutes. So this is the format which is given in the question, and time 2 equal d2 degree plus m2 minutes, and the sum of the time 1 and time 2 equal d degree plus m minutes. And the next question of 23, in this we have to input our hours and calculate the charges based on the following hour. So if the hour is less than is equal to 4, then charges is the 5 rupees per hour. So the formula will be charges equal hour into 5.0, or if the hour is greater than 4 and less than equal 9, so this is the next 5 hours, so this will go to till 9, then charges will be 4 into 5.0 plus hour minus 4 into 3.0. Similarly, the last range is the charges equal 4 into 5.0. This is the first range calculation, plus 5 into 3.0 plus hour minus 9. This is the 4 and this is the 5. So we have here already calculated the two range values. So we will minus 9 into 2.0. And here we are printing the total number of hours and the total charges calculate with the help of hours.